Hey, hi everybody. This is the last video in self-image series as of now. Probably in future we may discuss about some more things about self-image, and we have discussed about what is self-image. Then we discussed about how to overcome poor self-image. We discussed about accepting compliments, doing good things for people. Write down, listing down your past victories. Then we discussed about surround yourself with quality people, supportive people, then face challenges. We have discussed about so many things. If you have not yet seen those videos, go back and see those videos. It will be really useful for you. Now, the final video about self-image, it's very simple. You need to be protective all the time. Feed your brain productively, positive things, feed your brain, arrest all the negative things, feed only the positive things to your brain. This is the only place you're going to live. And feed your brain with positivity and be productive and celebrate your victories, even small victories. Celebrate all your small victories. Even if you read finished 5 page of book reading, go and celebrate. Post it in your Instagram, post in your Facebook, WhatsApp status. Let the world know that you read 5 pages. Why not? So celebrate. So this will reprogram your self-image. Be always productive. Always focus on your A activity. The day you are productive, that night you will sleep peacefully. Right? The unproductive day, you may not get into deep sleep. So, so be productive. Be you. Be kind. Follow your passion. All of us have a lot of passion, right? So give some time for your passion, so that will again reprogram your self-image. So with that, I'm done. I hope this self-image series videos are really useful for you. But knowing is not important. Implementation is the key. Whatever you learned, start implementing. In fact, the best way to remember things, train people, teach people, so that you will not forget. So whatever you learn now, teach it to people and implement. Have a great self-image, great life. You all have greatness within you. Bye bye.